So yeah, this is everything I took out. Big difference. I mean, big upgrade, much louder, looks better, sounds better, and I'm very happy I actually bought this. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing, but I did see a YouTube video. So, oh, I just hurt my thumb. Oh no, I knew this was gonna be a problem. So you start here, take this off, and then we're gonna take this off. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is so first we gotta remove this. Not first, but it's one of the things we gotta remove. And take this off here too. My wheel is stuck on something. I don't know what it is. This is gonna suck. I don't know how to make a video out of this. Okay. So this is a 14, but you are gonna need a 14. And yeah, I think a 12 was better. I think. Birdie. These wheels suck. Am I tightening? No, I'm doing it good. I'm tweaking. I think I'm tightening. No! I gotta remember. It's this one. Am I tightening it? God damn it. This is one of those moments where you're gonna hit your hand somewhere and it's gonna hurt. I got one out. I can take this one out. There we go. It wasn't too bad. So this is out. I don't think I had y'all facing the right way. Let me show you guys. All right. So take this side out, and then there's one more side right there. So I took both of them out. I'll show you guys in a second. It's hard making a video and working on cars. I don't know how people on YouTube do this. Holy shit, this sucks. Now, that right there. This, we gotta push it out. Maybe not. I don't know how I want to go about this because we still have to take this out right here, and then it can come off. But I think we'll do that. We're gonna take this part out first, then remove it from here, and then we can figure something out. Let's see if I can show you guys a little bit better. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Okay, so again, 14 mil, and you're gonna need a 14 mil wrench just to hold it in place. It's very important to put penetrating I don't know, penetrating lubricant just to loosen these up. Alright guys, so in this part of the video I wanted to show you guys that one, I needed help from someone, so I had to get my father to help me remove those two. I just for the life of me could not do it. I'll admit that I am weaker than him. Now on this part of the video, as you can see where my foot is lifting the exhaust up, the weight of the exhaust is actually keeping the bolts from being removed. And as you can see here, I'm still holding it, and I'm still holding the exhaust with my leg. And once I do that, I pull off the bolts, and then that's pretty much how you can remove it. And I can let it go because it's still on the hanger. The hanger of the exhaust is still hanging onto the bushing. So now that we are removing the hanger from the bushing, I still need to put my leg on it to keep some pressure off of the hanger, that way I can remove it. Unfortunately, you're gonna need two people when it comes for the rest of the video, simply because gravity is your enemy and things are gonna fall on you. So just always have two people. An extra set of hands would always be better than one. And WD-40 is your friend. You definitely want WD-40 to help you out. Moving on to the muffler. The muffler is held by 4 hangers, so it's two on each side. And again, WD-40 is going to be your friend here. I didn't do it, I struggled, and yeah, so we're just going to remove the first one. The second one here is the other side. Bam. Alright, and now we're going to be working on the mid pipe, and the mid pipe is going to be installed, I believe, with the same bolts. It does not come with a washer. I don't think it needs a washer, so we should be good. It's very simple, very easy. Leave it a little bit loose, and that way you can move the mid pipe around a little bit when it comes to trying to get a good setup for your exhaust tips. Now the best part is installing the exhaust tips. Now when it comes to the exhaust tips, they do come with washers. I think these things look amazing, just all I gotta say. But yes, we're gonna go straight to, actually before we get to the washers, I do want to say they do get installed by the hangers, and again, WD-40, helpful thing. But straight to the washers. Alright, so now we are going to install our washers, and this is pretty much the last couple of steps that you need to do. You're going to install one washer on the right side and the second washer on the left side. You're going to use the new bolts that Apex provides and tighten everything up. So yeah, once you're done doing both sides, make sure you tighten everything up and check your mid pipe and make sure everything is tightened there, and make sure your hangers are well placed in the bushing mounts. And the last thing you need to do is just bring the car down and turn it on and just admire your work. Thank you guys.